Is our new bench digital multimeter. The model name is XDM2041 with 55,000 counts. Here you can test the voltage, the DC voltage and AC voltage with testing lead input here. Here to test the ampere, the DC current and AC current. Then you can change the testing lead to here. Okay. And here to testing the resistance on and off and diode. The testing lead is here, input from here. Here is to testing the capacitance, the frequency and the temperature manual. With save, if you want to save the day, you can press this save menu button. Now if you want to check the day you save, here. Then if you want to record the day, here is the point you want to record. For example, is 100 point, and the interval time is 1 second. Also, you can change the value. Change to 2 seconds, and the point can change to 2,200 point. Then you can start to record. Here is the mass menu to test the maximum and minimum value. And the port can change to the RS232 port. And this is our new model with competitive price. Welcome to ask me more questions. Thanks.